Welcome back to the channel. Today I got my Slash in here. Ever since I upgraded it to 4S, it keeps freaking breaking axles. These dang cheap plastic axles that are in them. So got me some upgrades here. Got the steel spline constant velocity axles. Hopefully that'll solve all my issues and they'll last forever. So let me get this body off and we'll get started. Well, I'm back. I went ahead and took the tires off too. I took the body off. So now you can really see what it got going on here. This is what just sheared that plastic piece off, and I actually lost the whole sleeve that slips over that. As well as it's been kind of twisting these. You can really see it on this one. It's twisted up. But anyways, yeah, I'm going to start with the rear. Basically just take this one screw loose and our pins that holds it in up there. Okay. Start by taking these set screws out. There we go. Now these just slip right off. Hopefully. Yep, there it is. Get this junk out of here. Next, we'll take our wheel hex off, slip our pin out. And the axle shaft should just pop out on the inside. There it is. Got that out of there. Save my bearing. It looks brand new, still good. Get the new one opened up. There we go. This thing is awesome. Pretty sweet. Definitely seems a lot more heavy duty. Hopefully it is. Just need to take this off. And there we go. Easy as that. There we go. One side done. Flip around to the other side. Do the same thing. And there we go. Old one out. You can really tell it's all twisted up right here. That's some abuse. Here we go. All right. Then slip the axle shaft through, and again, this side's done. Quick as that. Seems pretty easy to throw those in. Okay. The rear's done. I'm gonna swap to the front. Go ahead and take this off. On both sides. I'm trying to do a twofer. Take my wheel hex off. Maybe. Pull the pin. And almost good. Just gotta get the pin off the axle. You really should probably take the front bumper off. It'd make it easier. I'm trying not to have to do that. I think I got it though. And there's the front. Same thing, a little bit twisted. Need this bearing. These are pretty nice. Pretty nice. Well, I was worried I wouldn't be able to screw that in correctly because of the strange angle, but I was able to get it. There we go. Slap this bearing back on. Seems pretty smooth. Now I could repack those, but definitely don't feel like taking it apart to do that today. Boom, one side done. Put my linkage back on. There we go. Has some dirt in it or something. Sorry about that. Get this sucker out of here. Probably should have took the steering link off too, but I'd rather just stress all my parts to cram it in there. But that's it. Now that this hex is on here, it's got one last screw and it's done. Ready to go test it out. Guys, gonna get these wheels put on. Boom, and just like that, we're ready to get out there and start ripping. Okay, got it back together. And we have 3S battery in there, and I'm gonna go give it a quick rip. See how these axles do. I'm out here just in front of my house, gonna drive it around for a minute. Well, those axles seem to be holding up well. Oh, dang, I think my battery's dying already. That sucks. Oh yeah. Is it dead or overheating? Let's see. Oh, might be overheating. Maybe I should unplug it. Freaking melted the... Dang. Melted the motor. The ESC wire, motor wires clean off of it. Holy crap. Well, that was fun while it lasted.